Welcome everyone to Web Programming. In Web Programming YouTube channel, we are going to discuss about web programming, web design, web development, web automation engineering, and Python full stack development. All right. Uh, this YouTube channel is for those people who don't have degree, who don't have knowledge about programming at all, who decided to learn web development and build a career in information and technology or web technology. All right, we are going to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, in brief, front-end web development first, then we will be learning web automation and those who are interested, you will be learning back-end development also. In a word, we are going to learn full stack web development, and some of you who are interested are going to learn web automation Selenium with Python. Okay, now those who cannot afford expensive boot camps like 10,000 to $30,000 boot camps just for 3 to 6 months, you can follow this YouTube channel and learn um, web development, software development, web application development, web automation engineering in just 3 to 6 months. And you can apply for the entry-level positions. And in information and technology, in entry-level positions, um, starts from 65K to 100K. That's amazing. That's the beauty of information and technology based jobs, and that's the power of web programming. All right, so at the very beginning we start with HTML5, and uh, we just started learning HTML5, and today we are going to continue. In at the first month, we are going to learn HTML5 from scratch, from A to Z. And at the second month, we are going to revise HTML and going to learn CSS from A to Z. And in the third month, we are going to revise HTML and CSS, and side by side we will be learning um, the most demanding programming language number one, JavaScript. And HTML, CSS, JavaScript are uh, well known as big three languages of the web, because these three are languages of the front end technology. These are called front end technology. Okay, and when you can become master on these three languages, you become web front end web developer. Okay, and you can start applying for entry level positions, web developer, junior web developer, for all these positions. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Before I start, let me tell you one thing. If you really can afford bootcamp, I will suggest you to go to a bootcamp. Just click here and it will take you to one of the largest bootcamps, one of the best bootcamps, one of the largest online schools, online and offline, uh, coding dojo. And you can complete full stack web development in just 3 to 4 months. Okay, Just click here, and when you click here and register using my link, you are getting $500 $500 off, $500 discounts. Okay. As graduates from Coding Dojo, I can confidently tell you this is one of the best. I will say this is the best. Okay. And if you're really interested in learning web programming, web development, software development, web automation engineering, I will suggest you to start with front-end web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScripts. Okay, then you can learn anything. You can learn anything. And if you're really serious in learning front-end technologies, I will recommend you to click here. Okay, click here, and it will take you to a sign up page where you can sign up free with your email address and first name, last name. And in reply, I will send you a link of a book, and the book cost only $9.99. I mean $10. It comes with an ebook and uh, Amazon audiobook. Okay, I will send you a link and buy it, and it will teach you the complete concepts on front-end web development, and it will also tell you about the potential dream career. Okay, listen to it, read it, and try to clear your concepts. It will really help you to become better web developer. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. If you are visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. Okay, now let's open uh, git version control, and let me clear it. Okay, then just go to desktop. To go to the desktop, the command is cd desktop, press enter, and we are inside desktop now. Cd, then our project is on web programming. Okay, web programming, and we are now inside web programming. Then code space dot, press enter, and you are in the project. Okay, yesterday we learned it. We already know what is HTML, what is HTML boiler template, what is HTML template, and so on. And we come to know HTML is the root elements, and before it, this angle bracket, exclamation sign, doc type, HTML, then closing angle bracket. This is the declaration of HTML5. It's telling the browsers, hey browser, hey Google Chrome, hey Safari, hey Firefox, what we are going to code is HTML5. Okay, then HTML opening tag. HTML is the root element, and here is the HTML closing tag. Uh, Between opening tag and closing tag, there is one difference, that is opening tag doesn't have slash, but uh, closing does have a slash in front of HTML. Okay, and these HTML tags are also called elements, HTML elements. Okay, HTML opening tag and HTML closing tag are parent tag, or base elements or root elements, and head is the child element to HTML root element, and body also child to HTML root element. And head tag or head elements and body tags or body elements are siblings. Okay, and whatever we write inside head tags or head elements, whatever we write inside, these are the child element to head tag or head elements. Okay, and all contents inside these elements will be invisible. It can be content, it can be links, and we call them metadata. Okay, but whatever we write inside the title, it will be the title of this page. Okay, and it will be shown on the top on the browser. Okay, let's execute it like with. Okay, uh, and we say web programming is the title tag, and whatever we write inside the body tag, it will be visible to the users or um, clients. Okay, or visitors. So whatever we write inside body tag, all the contents will be visible. Yesterday we learned what is H1 tag and what is 2, 3, 4, 5, and H6 tags. These are headlines or headings. H1 is the biggest heading, while H6 is the smallest heading. And we learn also what is p tag. Okay, how does it work? And inside the p tag we use lorem ipsum dummy text. Okay, and we know how to do it. And h2 is the second um, biggest heading. Okay, all right, and now we want to add another element, and this is called image tag. And image tag, you see, it has only one element or tag. It has opening tag, but it doesn't have closing tag. We call such HTML tags as self-closing tag. Okay, so whatever we put inside image elements, okay, uh, it will be special content and it will be a photograph. Okay, remember, when we see is equal to sign at the left side, whatever we write, it is called attribute name, and whatever we write at the right side of the equal sign is the value, attribute value. So this alt is attribute name, and this is value or attribute value. Okay, now let's bring a picture here. Okay, pictures are kept inside assets folder. Okay, let's go to unsurplus.com. Unsurplus.com is uh, a website where you can find beautiful photographs for free. Okay, I can say uh, web developer, and I can choose any picture from here. Okay, let me take this beautiful picture. Download, it's free, then just close it. Okay, and what I can do, I can just drag this photo. Okay, and Right, it is here. Just drag it. Okay, I can drag it once again. Where it is, just make it smaller, then go to any folder, click on any folder and go to downloads, and you will find in the download section the picture that you already downloaded. Okay, I think we can find it out. Okay, uh, it is without name, so it's I think it will be a little different. Oh, where is it? Okay, let me check. Is it? No. Is it? No. Uh, Actually, we can take any picture. Don't worry about it. Uh, I can just drag it. Let me. I will just drag it to assets folder. Okay. This is different picture though. I think there is another one. Where is it? Let me check. This is also unsurplus, so I just drag and drop. I think this is also different. Okay, unsurplus. I think this one also unsurplus. The drag and drop, and this is the picture actually we are looking for. Okay, now just what we can do, we can change the name. Maybe I can click and rename it and say delete, then say web underscore developer. Okay, now and just what we can do, I can um, in the source attribute, in inside the quotation mark we put the value. The value will be the name of the folder first, assets. Okay, assets, then name of the file name. Okay, and alter is, I can say, web developer. Okay, then go to our page and see we have now huge photo on our web page, huge. Okay, now we have to make it smaller. How we can resize it? We can go to the lasts, okay, and type width, and width will be, say for example, 600 pixel. Okay, you don't need to write pixel, and height will be like 300 pixel. Now let's check how does it look like. Definitely it has become beautiful. You see how we inserted a picture in our page. Okay, now that's amazing. Okay, now whatever we learned so far is uh, how to put heading or headlines, and how to make paragraphs, how to insert a photo or photograph on the website. Okay, fine. And how to resize it. Okay, as per our requirements. All right, it's beautiful, right? And now we are going to learn another tag, that is how we can uh, add a link. Okay, HTML links are defined with air tag, and it is called anchor tag. Say for example, I want to uh, add a link here at the page. All right, okay, let's do it. How we can do it? I can just type here a tag. Okay, a tag, and this is anchor tag. Anchor tag, and each wrap is hyperreference. This is attribute, and inside the value we just put the URL where we want to go. Say for example, I want to go to https colon slash slash w3schools.com. w3schools.com is one of the largest website where we can for free learn coding, learn programming. We can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and many more. And we can also learn different programming languages like Java, PHP, Python, etc. Okay, now uh, I can put here content. I can say click here to learn more. Okay, now save it and go to the web page. Okay, refresh it, and you see there is a link. It's linked with another website. Click here to learn more. When you click it, you go to W3 Schools. Okay, tutorials. Click on tutorials and click learn HTML, and from here you can learn HTML. Okay, we will learn all these things every single day. Okay, and you will become expert after 2 weeks on HTML. Trust me. Okay, so that's all for today. Let me recap what we have learned today. We have learned the whole boilerplates. We learn how to indent. We learn HTML tags, some very important HTML tags, head tags, body tags, okay, and whatever we write inside head tags, these are metadata, and it will remain invisible on the website. Whatever we write inside the body tag, all these contents will be visible on the web page. It can be articles, it can be text, it can be photo, it can be videos, it can be links, whatever. All right, then just right button click, open with live server, and here is our page. Okay, very dull page so far because we haven't started learning CSS, and we don't know still how to style it. Okay, when we will style it, it will become beautiful. All right, that's all for today. Again, if you are visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. All right. If you can afford, click here, go to the bootcamp, learn from the best teachers in the world. Okay. And when you use my link, you will be uh, getting $500 discount. Okay. And here is a book written by me. It will be ebook and Amazon audio book. You can listen also, you can also read it and construct your clear on web design and development and its career. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next session.